Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to tell you something about Hotspot. With the help of Hotspot you can give internet data to anybody which you want. So how to enable Hotspot, and if somebody is not using your data, then how will you turn off? How will you enable automatically turn off your hotspot in your Samsung mobile? So not wasting much of your time, who are knowing may skip the video, who are not knowing please be patient until watch this video till end. So just go to the setting, here go to the connections, and here mobile hotspot and tethering. Here go to the mobile hotspot. Here when will turn off, it will Samsung mobile. So here I wanted to tell you, if you want to change the name, just configure it. Now from here you can change the name of your hotspot. Here you can change the password. Here also you can change the band, 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. And as soon as you will touch the advanced, here turn off when no device connected for 20 minutes, 5 minutes. From here you can set the time. If for this time no devices has connected, you has tried to connect with your mobile to take internet data, then after the selected time, that your mobile hotspot will automatically get off. So this is very important thing. You can see, I think I have explained all things about the mobile hotspot: changing password, changing network name, or band 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. So this is all what point I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.